back to Bully Guitars. Just like to report, after a months-long campaign for Play Authentic, we've got the respect of guitar players throughout the community worldwide. We've had all kinds of supporting letters from all kinds of fans and players all over the world just saying how much they appreciate us and how much they respected that first video we put up that we took down.
They're nuts about Bully Guitar. They're just nuts.
They're just absolutely insane.
Once you go Bully, you always go fully.
And well, just like to say, you know, we've really been stepping up the quality as of late. We've been looking at our competitors and attempting to sue them into oblivion, like that Dean company. I think we're going to take those motherfuckers out for daring to even try and copy us because, like, you know, we invented the electric guitar, and their designs are just way too close to, you know, something as amazingly authentic as this beautiful instrument here.
Our lawyers are on an unlimited infinity retainer, so they have the instructions to just go, and sue literally everyone.
Everyone. And we have the budget to do it as well.
Yep.
Because we're Bully Guitars and we have the resources. So, all of those out there who would compete with us, who are trying to take our designs that we came up with, if you don't license the design from us, we are coming after you. Because, like the Fine Brothers, we own the obvious.
My great-great-great-great-grandfather invented wood in 1894. His name, was Moore Pauly. My name is Pauly. And
that's why we've got the more Pauly. And I gotta say, what a fine instrument this is. The quality we've been building as of late out of our custom shop has just been through the roof. I mean, we've got beautiful fretwork here, nothing sticking out. And for the doctors and lawyers out there who don't want to put in the time for playing, we've got it pre-distressed so you can jump up on stage in front of your family reunion and you can look like you've been playing for decades without actually putting in the work. It's a big seller among the poser crowd.
I don't actually like playing guitar, but I like all my guitar player friends to think that I'm really hot shit.
Absolutely.
And that's when an instrument like ours, like a Bully guitar, comes in.
Like, look at this. Look at this.
Handy.
This really looks like it's been played a lot. There's some cracks in the lacquer back here, and it's pretty damn impressive, I gotta say. Overall, this is just an outstanding instrument. Stays in tune beautifully, unlike some of the other wannabe.
Less authentic, sub-authentic.
Yeah, exactly. And I gotta say, yeah, this thing's an absolute fucking beast. I mean, like, just look at this thing. It's just absolutely amazing.
It even smells authentic.
Absolutely.
Wait. Oh, that authentic Bully Guitars taste.
Absolutely.
You can't beat that.
So what's really exciting here at Bully Guitars is that we've been hunting down clones and copies, and we've been bulldozing them and just destroying them, and it's been great. And what's up?
They were our own.
What do you mean they were on?
We destroyed our own guitars.
Why would we do that?
Because we liked some authentic, and they were not authentic. They had the digital in them.
Oh, okay. Digital is definitely a bad thing.
They were the ones and zeros.
Oh, okay. Can't have that on the authentic Bully Guitars. Not like this, anyway.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Ow.
Oh. What's up?
This is a Maybach. That's not a Bully guitar.